What is up? I keep dropping my daggone palette. What's up, guys? My name is Stacy and I want to thank you so much for clicking on this video. Be sure to subscribe, follow me on all my socials, which will be listed down below. Give this video a thumbs up and let's just jump into it. Today's video is just going to be me playing around a little bit more with the So Jaded Palette by ColourPop and Kathleen Lights. So if you're interested in how I achieved today's look, then be sure to keep on watching. Alrighty, and here we go. So I already went in and started on the first eye, and I'm going to go ahead and go with the other one. We are stepping, of course, into the So Jaded Palette again. If I can get her open. Put that like that. But first, we're gonna go ahead and prime my eye. Oh wait, did we do that already? Let me check. Are we good? Oh, I think yes. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and get into this look, shall we? I'm already primed, and I went ahead and set it down my Laura Mercier palette, Laura Mercier powder. Let's go ahead and get into this look. So the first color we're gonna be using is we're gonna go in with this color called You're a Gem. It's going to be this color right here. I really enjoyed using it on my last video, and I think it'll be perfect for this look. Really pretty. So let's go ahead and add that. And I'm not going to be moving it around. I'm just going to be placing it down so I can get more of the color payoff. Just like that. Alrighty, so it took some building, but we got the color to a really good place. I like the way it looks so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my transition color on top of that. And that one's going to be my favorite brown in here, Carnelian. Yes, I've been using this brown right here for quite some time. Well, in all my looks, I think, so far. It's just it's a very pretty brown that complements my skin tone. All right, so we're gone, excuse me. All right, so we're all done with blending out our crease color. And let's go ahead and move on to the next one. It's going to be, sunstone. We're gonna put a little bit of sunstone right here on the lid. And we're just gonna pack it on just like we were doing with the Your Gem color. And we're probably gonna have to go in with our fingers as well, because it is a shimmer. Wow. So it would seem that the more you pack this color on, the prettier it gets. I really, really like that. So pretty. Alrighty. All right, so far we've got the eyes to where we want them for now. So let's go ahead and get into the base makeup. I've already moisturized my face. And we're gonna go ahead and get into the foundation, which today is gonna be my Clinique Beyond Perfecting in the shade WN96 Chai. So it's gonna be her right here. Alrighty, so we are all blended out with the foundation. We're gonna go ahead and move along to our concealer, which is gonna be the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in Mocha. Alrighty, some setting mist by Morphe. All right, and let's move right on into the bronzer. Black Radiance True Complexion. All right, again, and we are moving right along. Blush palette by Luna Beauty. All right, we're gonna take Twilight right there. Actually, and I'm gonna mix that with Spacey. I'm gonna mix that with this one right here, just a little bit. Of course, we're gonna go with Soleil for our highlight today. All right, guys, there you have it. The base is completely finished. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the eyes off camera and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, we are back. So I went ahead and added my lashes, I lined my eyes, and I brought some of that carnelian color that is on the top underneath the bottom lash line. The hair is situated and we're gonna go ahead and add the lip. All right, so for this color, I don't have a lot of nudes and I really need to work on my collection with that. So until then, I'm gonna just go in with the Rimmel liner, and under my spell, I use her a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna line my lips and also fill them in. I think this is such a pretty all over color as well. All right, and there we have it, guys. I went in with a light hand. I didn't want the lips to be so dark that they could take away from the eyes too much, but I did want it to be obvious that I had on a berry type of nude on my lips. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? All right, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much again for clicking on it. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. So again, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for any more tutorials you would like to see from me. Of course, I'm making a mess down here. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. No. Give this video a thumbs up and follow me on all my socials, which will be listed down below. This wig is like, stay. All right, guys, thank you so much again, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.